Hello, Miss Hardy. I'm excited that you reached out to me about teaching you a way to show your teachers how to stay up to pace with the growing technology. As a future teacher myself, I know just how important it is to stay caught up in order to be an effective teacher in the 21st century. As you can see, I have listed a few topics that I believe are important for your teachers to learn to be effective as possible. The first topic that I believe should be discussed is what is digital literacy. It is the ability to use information and communication technologies to find, evaluate, create, and communicate information. However, I would ask your teachers beforehand what they think it means to be digitally literate, and I would see if they could come up with their own definition. After knowing what digital literacy is, it would be a good idea to ask your teachers if they know the skills needed in order to be digitally literate. This then brings me to my next point. I would then discuss the 21st century skills themselves. These skills are broken up into groups, as you can see here. The first group is ways of thinking, which includes problem solving, creativity, and analytical thinking. Here I would include an activity for the teachers to do, for example, a puzzle or a brain teaser, in order for them to get involved in what they are learning about. The second group is ways of working, which includes collaboration and communication. With this, I would do the telephone game that is usually used in elementary classrooms to kill time. I'd use this activity just to show how important it is to collaborate and communicate efficiently. Then we move on to the ways of living in the world, which includes ethics and accountability. For this, I would mainly put emphasis on the fact that now that they know what it means to be digitally literate, that they are now accountable for going into each workday and being an effective teacher for their students. After explaining the following skills, I would then elaborate on the 4 C's, which are communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. As you can see, these all relate back to the 21st century skills, but they are more of the super skills that not only teachers need, but students should learn about and acquire. Finally, I'd go on to show the relevance behind learning these skills. Being digitally literate allows you to meet some of the ISTE standards for teachers. For example, it can help you to facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity, as well as helping you to promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility. Digital literacy opens up brand new doors in the classroom and allows teachers to create new ways of teaching material. Finally, I would wrap up the workshop with doing a quiz on what they have learned. For this activity, I would just hand out a quiz in order to see what the teachers learned while attending the workshop, and also I would use this quiz as a little review to refresh the information. I'm excited to see how this workshop will turn out with your teachers, and I hope it is a huge success. Thank you again for reaching out.